After you've created your avatar, it's time to use it in a meeting. There are two ways to join a meeting with your avatar. The first is to start the meeting with your avatar on, and the second is to turn it on during the meeting. To join a meeting, open your calendar invite. Select Join. This will open the pre-join experience, where you can adjust your camera and microphone before the meeting. Before selecting Join, turn off your camera. Then select Effects and Avatars. Then select the avatar you want to represent you and a background. Then select Join. If you realize that you want to turn on your avatar after you've already joined the meeting, simply select the More button with 3 dots. Then select Effects and Avatars. Navigate to the Avatars section. In this section, select your avatar. Then scroll down to select its background. If you'd like to see your avatar before turning it on for the other meeting participants to see, you can select Preview. While you're previewing your avatar, your camera will show as off to all other meeting participants. Only you will be able to see your avatar. If you're happy with it, select Apply Avatars. Now you're ready to use your avatar in a meeting.